Okay, so we're going to just review, and I'm doing this from a different angle today, so you're going to not see my face, but you'll hear my voice and be able to see what I'm doing. If we have the equation 32 plus 45, and we wanted to put those numbers together, we can do it with a proof drawing. We can go 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, plus 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. If we do expanded notation, we know 32 equals 30 plus 2, and we know 45 equals 40 plus 5. We know that 3 plus 4 is 7, so 30 plus 40 is 70. And then we bring down our plus sign. And 2 plus 5 is 7, and 70 plus 7 equals 77. So far, so good. With partial sums, that's the same as this, except it's written vertically. So we're going to write 32 and 45. We start with the tens. This is not 3 plus 4, it's 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40 is 70. 2 plus 5 is 7. We put those together as 70 plus 7 equals 77. So all of these line up and they tell us what our answer is. They all match. Today we're going to look at open number line. That's a little bit different. So for an open number line, you start on the number 32, and we're going to add 45 to that. In order to do that, you're going to add, remember we're breaking this apart. The 45 does not mean, 4 does not mean 4, it means 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 5, because we're adding every time. 10, 10, 10, 10. So if I'm on 32 and I add 10, I go from 32 to 42. Add 10 makes 52. Add 10 makes 62. Add 10 makes 72. And I know that 2 plus 5 is 7, so 72 plus 5 is 77. And it works. So that's kind of neat that all of those worked as well. It also works when you have to regroup. So if I had 26 plus 37, my proof drawing would be 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 37, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to put my tens together the easy way, which is 5 and 5. And I add it up, and I get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. Expanded notation, 26 equals 20 plus 6, and 37 equals 30 plus 7. I know that 2 plus 3 is 5, so 20 plus 30 is 50. Bring down my plus sign. I know that 6 and 6 is 12, so 6 plus 7 would be 13. Now when I look at this, I know that this 1 right here does not mean 1, it means 10. So 50 plus 10 makes 60, plus 3 makes 63. When I do the partial sums method, I'm writing the same numbers, except I'm writing them vertically instead of horizontally. So I'm going to write 26 and 37. And I know that I start with my tens. This is not 2 plus 3, it's 20 plus 30. And I know if 2 plus 3 is 5, then 20 plus 30 is 50. I know that 6 and 6 is 12, so 6 and 7 makes 13. Now I combine. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 5 tens and 1 10 makes 6 tens. My answer is 63. So far, all of my answers have matched. Now I'm going to try the open number line. So I start with 26, and then I have to add 37. So I know 37 is 30 plus 7. So I'm going to add 10, 20, 30. There's 10, 20, 30, plus 7. So 26 plus 10 makes 36. 36 plus 10 makes 46. 46 plus 10 makes 56. Now I need to add 7 more. Well, if I break apart that 7, I could go 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and that does work. What I also know, though, about this is that 7 is actually 4 and 3. And I know that 56 plus 4 makes 60, plus 3 more makes 63. So it really doesn't matter, but all my ways of solving them came out the same. You just have to choose a way that works and make sure that you're able to proof draw it and have your answers come out. And make sure you've checked them. So that's it. Try open number line this week. This is the new one. We want you, this will be really fast and easy for counting in your head, for mental math. That's it. See you next week. Bye.